If you want to see the largest irrigation pond in Osaka, visit Kumeda Pond, which is located in Kumeda District, Kishiwada City. It has a total area of 45.6 hectares, a perimeter of 2.6 kilometers, and a storage capacity of approximately 1,570,000 tons. The construction of Kumeda Pond took almost 14 years to finish, from the year 725 to 738. It started when the whole Kumeda district was suffering from drought, which led Gyoki, one of the most famous monks in Japanese history, to help the locals build the pond and irrigation system. Kumeda Pond is also listed as a National Heritage of Japan. Standing beautifully in front of the pond are cherry blossom trees, which makes it a great place for hanami or cherry blossom viewing. Also, nearly 100 types of birds fly in every year in different seasons, making it look like an international airport for birds. Go check out Kumeda Pond and have a relaxing time.